Autohaus of Naples, and today I have a fabulous sports car. It's a 2012 Mercedes Benz C63 Sport Coupe. It comes with a AMG Sport package. Actually, it also has a $6,000 upgraded development package as well. It's finished in a tuxedo black, very gorgeous. You have your black tinted windows, the beautiful chrome here. 1 second, I'll open the hood for you. You can see the lines on this car, just everything about it. Standing still, it looks like it's going 200 miles per hour. Right here in the hood, I mean, it's really gorgeous. The headlights, the xenon daytime running lights are wonderful as well. I love driving this car, but I tell you, as much torque and power it has behind it, I do get a little nervous driving it because we are dealing with a V8 engine. It has 6.3 liters and 481 horsepower behind it, and the 481 horsepower does have something to do with that development package. Not every one has that, but this one does. Also, you can see we have the Amg Sport Wheels, 5-spoke wheels. The brakes in this car are amazing, so as fast as it can stop just as fast as well. The red brake caliper covers are there. It gives it such a nice feel. Even the 6.3 liter AMG emblems on both sides of the car, I love. You have the panoramic roof here. It's hard to tell, but it is a panoramic roof, but it blends in so nicely with the black because you do have those black tinted windows. You have the keyless go, keyless entry, and you also have the blind spot and lane assist in this car. I mean, it's definitely an upgraded vehicle. Not a lot of people have this car because the original sticker price in this car is over $80,000, and most people wouldn't have spent over $80,000 on a C-Class Mercedes Benz, but this one was certainly worth it. You have you'll see that I have a backup camera in the car, also your your sensors here, your quad exhaust, and the carbon fiber spoiler, which I love. And even though it is a sport coupe, you do have plenty of trunk space as well, and you'll see that. If you want to put the seats down in the back, you just pull these two levers and it releases the seats for you. And I will show you a little bit of the side door on this car before we take it out on a test drive. That way you can see the interior. You have your bucket seats, the red and black. I love the dual look on this car. Everything about it just says sport. It was a lead car in the F1 Racing Formula One. The bucket racing seats here, it gives you a nice sort of a comfort feeling. Whenever you're going faster on a curb, you still feel like you're snug and in place. But I'm going to take this car in a test drive for you today, and I will see you there. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to start the car up. Put your foot on the brake and you just press the start button. And I don't know if you can hear that rev of the engine, but it certainly is loud. Right now it is in a comfort mode. You see there are no messages on the car. That's always a plus every time in a car here. And let me get you over to, you do have your drive assist. I don't know if it's your attention assist, blind spot, lane keep, and there you go, just over 42,000 miles. So there's not a lot of mileage on this car. And right here, you have your comfort mode. Also, you have your sport option, sport plus, and your manual. And I'm going to, I think I'm going to go ahead and just do a sport mode. That way you can see it without my cameraman being scared to death. So, just 1 second. I left the hood open during the video, but I will go ahead and show you the gauges on the car. You see, I told you I left the hood up. I'm very sorry about that, but we're going to shut that real quick. So we're going to shut that, but with that said, there's your parking assist. It's telling me someone is on the right side of the car. That's a good example of that. Your gauges are very beautiful, clear, everything is great. My passenger is going to put their seatbelt on. As you can see, the seatbelt sign is off and my gate is opening. So here we go. And like I said, you know, yeah, the car is a lot of fun to drive, but you certainly have to be aware of how fast it can actually go. It is certainly a sports car. I don't even know why it's legal on the streets. Hold on. Woo! All right, I gotta slow down. Sorry, I had to show you though, because it's such a fun car to drive. You have to see how wonderful it is, and if you ever have the chance to drive this one or one like it, it's great. Here's your navigation system right here, and let me show you. You have your disc option, your radio, your phone, video system, all the information. You obviously have your presets, and your heated seats as well are down here for both you and the passenger. And the car is just well equipped and certainly a lot of fun to drive. So if you have any questions about this car or any of our other cars, give us a call. It's 239-263-8500, or you can find us on the web, and that is at autohausnaples.com. And again, my name's Marianne, and I will see you at the next one.